when birds sing again? Will you change for the better? Will you come back to peace? Or stay quiet for that matter? Will I still have to sit among feverish people, eager to destroy when given a chance? I wanna live again. Will the sun want to go back to sacrificed wastelands I just wasn't born for, getting my years to waste them? Will we be able to smile like we young ones used to? Nobody asks for our permissions to be. Now we want to live. How can we be sure night won't fall again? Blue skies won't be darkened, won't succumb to the rain. Why should I change my right way of thinking? As silly as trying to make birds stop singing. Maybe I should have known things around me are changing, victimized to the ones, to the thirst that they're quenching. Should I act like they do? Should I do what I'm able to? Should I breed a new bird for me? I wanna live anyway.